welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm of September, and I just got it this morning at 6 in the morning. I got here last night, but I didn't have time to go to the mail until today, so yeah. Anyways, I'm super excited that I kind of got it early because I was supposed to get it till the 29th, and today is the 18th. I already opened it and I kind of peeked through it, and I'm kind of excited. Well, very excited. Oh, so anyways, if I look different, it's because I have a ponytail, and I never wear ponytails, at least in camera, because I just feel like I look weird. But I just have a ponytail today, so just ignore that. Anyways, here is my Boxycharm. So ta-da! That's what it looks like inside. It comes with a card, and this month's theme is Glam Vibes Only. And I think it looks pretty cool with the road and the street sign. So yeah, and I got variation number 50. Okay, so I'm going to begin with the item that I chose for this month, and I chose the Kate Somerville Skin Health Expert Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment, and it's this one right here. So I've never tried anything from Kate Somerville, so I'm super excited to try this out. And it says to use it in the morning and at night, so I will be doing that. I'll probably start using it today. Well, I'm not sure because I am using an exfoliator right now, so maybe once I'm done with it, I'll start using this one, because obviously I don't want to mix two exfoliators because I don't want my skin to over exfoliate. This one you're supposed to massage onto your skin for 30 seconds and leave it up to 2 minutes, but since my skin is sensitive, I might leave it on my skin for less time. Let's see, this Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment retails for $85. Holy shit, that's expensive. So let me open it up. So this is what it looks like. I don't know, hopefully it works really well since it is expensive. So the next product I'm not very excited about, it is the BDB Billion Dollar Beauty Blender or beauty sponge, and it is a vegan charcoal infused beauty blender, and it's this one right here. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it because I might put this in a giveaway. So this Billion Dollar Beauty Sponge retails for $15. So now the next product, and I'm excited about this, it is the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. And I've never tried anything from this brand, so I'm super excited. And this is what it looks like. And it comes in this little plastic. Ta-da! Look at that, it's so pretty. Cool. So I got the shades Faux Fur, and I also got the shade Bamboo Hoops. So first I'm going to be swatching Bamboo Hoops. Oh, and this is what the little applicator looks like. Ooh, that's really pretty. Look at that. So cute. Okay, now I'm going to show you Faux Fur, and this is what the applicator looks like. The other one was like a brush, and this one's like just a regular applicator. So this one's just like looks like a concealer. I don't know, this is weird. So anyways, this is what it looks like. It just looks like a concealer, so it's kind of weird. Let's see. Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadow. A dual-ended liquid shadow combining a rich velvety matte formula on one side and over the top sparkly on the other. Oh, okay, so I guess it's just because I have to put the shimmer on top of that concealer looking shade. So anyways, I'm super excited to try this out because I've never tried anything from Huda Beauty, so yeah. So anyways, this Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadows retails for $25. Okay, now the next product, it is the Laura Geller The Volumizing Brush Vava Volume for Mega Lashes. And this one is the Lash Boss Bold. And I've never tried a Laura Geller mascara, so I'm super excited for this one. I'm not gonna open it right now because I do have another mascara. I'm currently using the Hourglass Unlocked Instant Extension Mascara, this one right here, and this one I got it for free on Influencer, but it might take a while to get to this mascara because I do have like 3 or 4 brand new mascaras. So once I'm done with those, I'll get into this one. So anyways, this Laura Geller Lash Boss Bold Mascara in black. I didn't show you guys, but I got black. So anyways, this retails for $24. Okay, now on to the last product, and I'm super excited about this, you guys. And I got an eyeshadow palette, and it is the Spanglish Pressed Pigment Palette by Alamar Cosmetics. This one right here, look at the packaging, it's super cute. So I'm super excited that I got this palette because I hardly seen anyone get this palette besides like big influencers. So I'm happy that I got it. Also on the back it has writing, so I'm going to read it really quick. It says Spanglish Pressed Pigment Palette. This palette is dedicated to all the multicultural reinas. May you always feel represented and glam as hell with the Alamar Cosmetics. Gabriela Trujillo. Pretty cool. I just love the packaging on this. It looks like a book. I love it. Now let's look at the palette. Oh my gosh, it looks beautiful. So it does come with a mirror. And look at the shadows, you guys. They look so freaking pretty. I'm super excited to use this palette. Wow, the shimmers look beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna read you off the names. I'm not gonna swatch it because I am going to be doing a video after this. So maybe on Monday you guys will see this, or Sunday, we'll see. So anyways, this shadow right here is called Pero Like, which means but like. And then this one is called Eres un Show. That means you're a show. And then this one is called Tienes Swing. You have swing. This one is called Wow, which means wow. And then this one is called I Get Cute, and it means that's so cute. This one is called Ha Ha Ha, which means ha ha ha. And then this one is called Muy Excited, which is called very excited. And this one is called Ponte Hyper, which means get hyper. So I'm super happy that I got this palette and I can't wait to use it. So I will definitely be doing a look with it today. So this Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish Pressed Pigment Palette retails for $28. So anyways, that is everything that I got in my Boxycharm for the month of September. I will put the total value on the top so you guys could know the total value. And let me know in the comments below if you guys also got Boxycharm. And also let me know if you guys got the same products I did and what do you guys think of them. So I think this is one of my favorite boxes because I love everything, and the only thing that I didn't like was the sponge, this one right here. But it's okay because it's just one thing. But other than that, I'm super happy with everything that I got. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me even if it's fake.